Yeah, yeah, like O3. You know I like them dark skin like Shay Shay, but light skin be my favorite. Hear my confession, say baby, I'ma let you know what's up. I just really wanna fuck. Give it up, baby, can't get enough. Feel the rest when I'm busting the nut. Me and your bitch, we in the sheets, I can bang that. Caught her running from the dick, she can't take that. Let her cover around her waist, take the skirt off. My mama just back out the skirt off. She rising, she climbing, so wet and so tight when I slide it. She went through, she whining. Hands on her throat, I get violent. Abusive, no controlling. It's hot outside, but it's snowing. Like, girl, can I rock your world? Chocolate and vanilla swirl. Thick light skin from LA, and she got a little belly. One day I'ma marry day money. Fuck a jam, I love your body. My body wants your body. Kaylani, she tsunami. Pull up in that Mazda. Alright, I'm feeling godly, and I know I ain't right. All these women in my life, I ain't gotta think twice. Now I'm up in the prize. Why? You got so much to say about my life. I love yours, I love mine. And I did this song for the hype. They ain't coming like me. Can't fuck it like me. Make a movie, Spike Lee. Look yoked in a thin white tee. Light brown skin like Beyonce. Mexican like Monse. Wanna hear my confession, say go up. Am I a screw up? Finna do what? Nigga, I'ma pull up. Chris Brown, how I take her down. Love sounds, baby, we go rounds. Looking right, so used to want to so bad, now cause how she lie. Niggas ain't shit, bitches ain't right. Think I'm the shit, bitches be fly. So dope, it's a natural high. Ain't my girlfriend, I ain't your boyfriend. No cuffing, we just enjoying. I'm cocky, I am flamboyant. Come cruise like you on be scared of the dark. You might lie, you a star. You acting so hard. Baby, let down your guard. Let it down. Cute, keep me near you. So crying for help, I can hear you. Independent, don't fear you. Ooh, I love it. Shout out all my lovelies and the runnies. I just wanna say, sweet lady.